everybody, this is Krupa Mechanic and today I have reached here at Explore. So Explore में आज होने जा रहा है कुछ ऐसा एग्जीबिशन जो बहुत ही अच्छा होने वाला है, जिसके बारे में मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना हुआ है. सो आज मैं आपको लेके जाने वाली हूँ ये वर्चुअल टूर पे, जहाँ मैं खड़ी हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So here I am at Explore. So let's see what's inside. Let's walk inside. Here there is a banner of Fun Ka One Stop. Here it is written Explore. Karo non-stop. So let's see what's inside. Here it is written Weekend Bazaar. So this is weekend, this is Saturday and we have come here. Let's see which stalls are there. So here this is NR Beauty World. Let's see what they have. So these are the straighteners and the curling machine. ये है NR Jewelers. So let's see which jewelry do they have. वैसे ये जो एग्ज़िबिशन है वो आज ही स्टार्ट हुआ है एट 4. सो 4 to 11 से लेकर आप कभी भी इसको विज़िट कर सकते हैं और ये कल भी रहने वाला है. सो सूरतीज डू कम हियर एंड buy and shop whatever you want to. So this is the bag house. You can see all the clutches and bags and purses. Wow, there is a nice collection. They have bed sheets and everything. They have nice collection of bags. So here is Collar Janta products. So let's see what's inside. So they have all the household items. I can see all the plastics and everything, the iron to the jars and mugs, everything is there. You can check out. They have crockery ware also. You can see here. They have these jars and this crockery. It's very nice. So it is from Borosil and Tibros.
I'd like to thank Explore as well.
Oh wow, I can see some beautiful thing over here. So it's a beautiful art piece and it's fashion. Nice fashion. It's by Aura Academy itself.
Thank you so much.
So here they have something unique. You can see there are some earrings, handmade earrings, and you can see the pictures. It is all handmade, it is all handcrafted. They have beautifully done this. So here there is another studio of Artsy Studio. So let's check out what's inside. Oh wow, they have beautiful what it's called, batik print, right? Tie and dye, yes, tie and dye. They have framed all these things and it looks so beautiful. So anybody wants to, decorate their houses, they can buy any product from here. It's so beautiful. You can see here also there are some mugs. I think it's handcrafted, right?
Deco page.
Okay, they are deco page. So you should come here and at least see what they have. So it is K Craft Buzz. Let's see what they have. So I can see some crochet artworks, crochet earrings and rubber bands. And oh wow, they have some granola jars. Wow, they have something like this. You can see So it is shades of cake. Let's check out their counter. Wow, I can see the beautiful and yet tempting cakes here. So we can see this. Wow, they are so beautiful. देखने में ही इतनी अच्छी लगती है कि ऐसा हो जाता है कब खाए इसको. खाने में उससे ज़्यादा टेम्पटिंग है ये सारी चीज़ें. यू कैन सी this strawberry and Nutella flavors. Wow, strawberry and chocolate makes a beautiful combination, don't you think so? So it's very nice. Some brownies are also there and walnut brownies. Here it is Divine Essence. So let's see what do they have.
These all are organic products without
Okay.
chemical for skin and hair care.
Oh wow.
I can solve your any type of problem. If you have any type of problem, skin and hair, I can solve it without chemical.
Oh wow.
You can contact
So
me on preeti.essence in Instagram, Preeti Rumta in Facebook.
okay, so you can follow her on Instagram and Facebook if you have any kind of skin problems. So she challenges that she can solve any of your skin problems. See, they have very beautiful things. So here it is written Dacodope. Okay, let's check what it's there. Wow, you can see this curtain like thing, and it's looking like you are actually standing in a library. Don't you think so? Yes, very nice. So they are just organizing all these things. So here it is, twist with clay. So let's see what they have made with clay. You can see all the beautiful studs and tops, earrings. They have specially handcrafted all these things. You can check out all these things. Wow, so beautiful. These are the flower pots and bowls. They have specially handcrafted. Yes, and it is multi-purpose. You can see all the earrings and studs also. They have beautiful collection of these things. Wow, this is the most favorite thing I have seen. Wow, this is so nice. You can carry all these things even on the gowns or saris. Very nice, beautiful things. So here there is a counter called CJ, and they have clothes. Here are some handmade bags. I can see which material is used. Is it jute or something?
No, these are plastic. This is plastic
Oh.
cane baskets.
These are plastic baskets. Wow, they have beautifully crafted it. You can see these bags. It is multi-purpose bag. You can use in any way. Here is another counter. Is said She Style Maker. So there are lots of saris and ethnic wear I can see here. See the beautiful saris. The sari lovers can come here and see and shop the saris. Let me check one. Okay, this is called the Ajrak print. So check out all these dress materials. Wow, they are very nice. See this printed. So they are having all kind of dress materials, heavy dress materials which you can wear in some pujas or marriage functions. There's a counter called Tians, and they have something which every girl needs, which is sanitary pads. So here there are sanitary pads, and वो इतने हाइजीनिक है, इतने इस तरीके से बनाए गए हैं कि गर्ल्स को भी, जो टीनेजर्स है उनको भी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ना हो. एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो अ मसाजर, द हेड मसाजर, the toothpaste, and this is the blood circulation massager machine. So किसी को भी अगर पूरा बॉडी का मसाज चाहिए ना, तो वो यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. पूरा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन आपकी बॉडी का हो जाएगा.
इससे क्या कैंसर की बहुत सारी अभी चल रहा है कैंसर, तो इससे कैंसर भी नहीं होगा और किसी को इन्फेक्शन भी होगा ना. अभी टीनेजर को क्या बहुत सारा इन्फेक्शन होता है.
यस यस,
हाँ, तो उसके लिए बहुत बहुत बहुत
बढ़िया चीज़ है. यस, जो इन्फेक्शन की प्रॉब्लम रहती है, इरिटेशन की प्रॉब्लम रहती है, तो वो उससे, इस पैड से, सैनिटरी पैड से सॉल्व हो सकती है. तो अगर आपके वहाँ भी कोई टीनेजर गर्ल है या तो कोई भी है, ये तो चीज़ ऐसी है कि जो कोई भी, हर एक घर में ये चीज़ ज़रूरी है. तो आप यहाँ पे आके ये सब चीज़ें ले सकते हैं. थैंक यू. So this is called Banyan Tree Bakery. Hello, what you have? Oh wow, thank you. Oh, this is the menu. Okay, so this is the menu. It has donuts, tea cakes, chocolates, everything is there. Okay, there is a menu behind. Cakes, cake jars, everything is there. Premium flavors, everything is there. So you can see this. देखिए, आपके टेस्ट वर्ड्स ऐसे जागने वाले हैं. माय गॉड, क्योंकि मुझे तो चॉकलेट इतना पसंद है कि आई जस्ट कांट वेट टू ईट.
Live pancake counter as well.
Oh, they have live pancake counter. Wow. So
And you
if
can make your own
anybody,
pancake there. You can top your own pancake on your own.
oh wow. So अगर आपको आपकी कुकिंग स्किल्स, अगर आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत दिखानी है, या तो आपके अपने हिसाब से कुछ क्राफ्ट करना है पैनकेक्स, आप अपने हिसाब से ये सारे जो टॉपिंग्स है, सॉसेस भी उनके पास है, तो वो सारा कुछ ही आप यहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हो. अपने हिसाब से अपना पैनकेक बनाओ. वेरी नाइस. दे हैव मिंट कूलर, सेंटर फिल्ड डोनट्स, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. सो दिस इज आई थिंक माई फेवरेट काउंटर बिकॉज आई एम सो फूडी. Counter called Dida. So any girl would come here, she will buy some or the other things from here because they have specially handcrafted so many things. The crop tops, you can see the tops and the kurtis, everything is there. See the one piece, this is the gowns and everything they have. You can even customize by your choice. They have this beautiful belts, you can see here. These are the belts. Wow. So they can be carried on any ethnic wear, right? So she is, can you speak your name?
Hi, my name is Diya Karadi.
Yes, she is Diya Karadi.
It's a new launching of the 5 pieces.
Yes. So they have, wow. So they have this very special offer, first time in Surat, 5 in 1. So they have all this lehenga and cholis. You can see, you can arrange, you now don't need to be worried what to wear on which occasion. So you have all these things here. These are the masks, beautifully crafted. अगर किसी को ऐसा हो रहा है अरे यार मेरे पास तो बहुत प्लेन मास्क है जो मैंने पहना है उसके साथ वो मैच नहीं हो रहा, तो यू कैन कस्टमाइज योर मास्क फ्रॉम हियर वेयरिंग अ हैंड वोड मास्क. वाओ. फॉर योर टाइम, दैट इज आदिल टाइम्स. आप अपना टाइम इस सारी वॉचेस में देख सकते हो. वैसे तो सबका टाइम आता है, अब आप बोलोगे मेरा टाइम कब आएगा, अपना टाइम आएगा, तो ये लो आपका टाइम आ गया. सारी वॉचेस है, देख लो अपना टाइम यहाँ पे. दे हैव ब्यूटीफुल वॉचेस, ब्यूटीफुल kurtis, and they have this customized products, western clothes, everything is there. You can see that beautiful jacket over there, that shrug. Kari is the next counter. Let's check out inside what's there. They have these dresses. Let's see what's next. Seema Fashion Creator. So they have created something like this. I think they have hand painted this. And see this. Wow. Hello. Is this all hand painted? Yes, hand painted and hand work. Wow. See this beautiful kurta. Here is a beautiful counter of ice creams. Scoopy Smile. Look at this. These are all the ice creams. Wow. यहाँ पर एक ब्यूटीफुल कार खड़ी हुई है, रेड कार. वाओ, मोंटे कार्लो. और ये मेरे लिए तो आई नो बिल्कुल भी नहीं खड़ी है, बट यू कैन सी द लुक ओवर हियर. वाओ, सो ग्लॉसी, सो स्टाइलिश. किसी को आके यहाँ पे बैठने का मन हो रहा है तो आ सकता है यहाँ पर.
एक शेप देते हैं कि हम लोग एक एंथुसियाज्म होता है कि बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है देखने में. पर अगर आप वैसे नॉर्मल रेगुलर प्लांट इज रेगुलर, ठीक है, समटाइम्स बोर्ड पे हम लोग बोर हो जाते हैं, तो इसलिए हम लोग शेप भी दे सकते हैं प्लांट. बेसिकली हम लोग शेप किसको देते हैं? प्लांट्स को, विच आर फ्लेक्सिबल है. अगर एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेम होगा सच एज ऑफ दिस प्लांट, फाइकस और एनी अदर, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ टोपिया. यू कैन सी इट हैज गिवन अ शेप. तो अगर कोई भी हार्डी प्लांट होगा तो हम उसको शेप प्रॉपरली नहीं दे पाएंगे. इट मस्ट बी समवॉट और समवेयर फ्लेक्सिबल और इन अ वाइड और फ्लिपिंग फॉर्म, क्योंकि हम लोग उसको शेप दे पाएंगे प्रॉपरली. तो ये जैसे आप देख रहे हो ये रिक्वायर है, बट इट्स नॉट अ.
सो यहाँ पे है जो वो पर्सन वो समझा रहा कि प्लांटिंग कैसे की जाती है. अलग अलग टाइप्स के प्लांट्स होते हैं, आप उसको प्लांटिंग कर सकते हैं. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया एवरीथिंग.